Most of you have seen the Mentos and Diet Coke eruptions, whether you've seen them on YouTube or wherever you've seen them. You may have practiced them at home. But it is such a popular one, I thought we might go ahead and do it today as well. So what we have is just a Diet Coke. Diet Coke works better than regular Coke. You can use regular Coke, but Diet works better because it doesn't have as much sugar. So the reaction is more severe with the Diet Coke. And I'm using Diet Pepsi, obviously. And Mentos. Doesn't really matter what flavor. The white ones usually do better, I think. That's personal preference on my part. And so all we're going to do is drop as many of these Mentos as we can into the Coke. They all need to come out at the same time because it's going to start erupting as soon as that first one hits. So you're going to have to move as quickly as you can to get as many Mentos in as you can. I've seen people make a little cylinder out of paper. I'm just going to use the container that it comes in, but it will react. Now what happens is that there are little indentations on the Mentos, and the chemical reaction between the carbonation that's in the Coke and those little air pockets that are on the outside of the Mentos is going to cause a chemical reaction. Now, obviously, you need something under it to keep it from going crazy. I've seen them, like on YouTube, that will shoot way up. So it might be better to do outside. I've never gotten that big of a reaction, probably because I can't seem to get that many Mentos in the jug at one time. So let's see what happens when you put Mentos with Diet Coke. Now, I only managed to get one Mentos in it, so you can see that if I'd been able to add more, that I would have had much more of an eruption, much more visual information for your students to look at. But the structure of the Mentos is the significant cause of the eruption because of the sites that are on the outside. It's covered with little tiny holes that increase the surface area available for reactions. And then the carbonation from the Coke latches onto those little indentations in the Mentos, and as a result you get a eruption. So chemical reactions.